Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make AI Pixar posters. So let's start it. First, go to your browser and search for an image generator Microsoft. Now click on the first link, Image Creator from Microsoft Designer. Here you need to log in with your Microsoft account. After login, you can see here you will get 15 boost to generate AI images. Now you need to use a prompt like here. So for example, typing create a Pixar-style movie poster about a panda is creating videos to help people. Movie title, How to Heroes. Now click on create. Just wait for a few seconds, and there you go. It usually gives you 4 images to choose from. Some look better than others. Sometimes it misses the title. Click on the image, and you can share and download it by clicking here. And if you click on Customize, it will take you to Microsoft Designer, where you can edit it. I recommend trying different prompts, and also you can regenerate the images with the same prompt until you like it. That's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also give a like, and I'll see you on the next one.